In this segment, we're going to explore the concept of SSL or HTTPS. You might have heard a lot about it. In order to convert HTTP to HTTPS, we need to activate SSL on our domain, our host, and also on our port. Guys, usually when we purchase a host, they provide SSL for free and we don't need to pay for it. Now, if we want to activate SSL on our host in case it's not already active, because as soon as you buy the host and connect a domain to it, the host itself goes to obtain SSL for the domain that is linked to it. But if for any reason SSL is not active, we go to our host and search for SSL, TLS. The second option, guys, is SSL, TLS status. We click on it and go to the SSL TLS status page. Guys, here it shows us the list of domains that are connected to it. The important thing, guys, is the domain name itself and the www that is behind it, which matters to us. If you see that it is not green like it is now, you just need to click on this and the domain below it together and click on Run Auto SSL. And this starts obtaining SSL here and activates SSL for your domain here and host. The first step is very easy. In all the hostings you get, this option should be active for you. After that, guys, once my SSL turns green, meaning SSL has been given to the domain as well, I need to go into the WordPress repository and search for SSL. When I search for SSL, the first plugin that comes up for me, guys, SSL is really simple. Its name is really SSL really simple. Yeah. And now I have installed it before I can also update it. After we have installed it, guys, we go to its settings. Open SSL and security. Here it brings up the SSL settings for us, guys, and it has a score between 0 and 100. We usually need to set our score to 70. In order to do these settings, guys, we go into the settings, and set these configurations. If our redirect mode is also set to 301 and mixed content is enabled, every option in the general section should be activated by the guys. For example, mixed content, so that if the URL inside your database is with HTTP, it automatically converts it to HTTPS, meaning it adds SSL to it. After the general settings, guys, we move on to the next settings. There are 3 security settings, like disabling uploads to the upload folder or disabling our WordPress version. We completely disable these, guys, meaning we check the boxes to close those security gaps or vulnerabilities that exist like that, so that someone cannot access our file manager and see the list of files. We can completely disable these, and once we have checked all of these, we save it. And we return to the dashboard tab and give a score to Mamido and the team. 72282 is the current setting, which is okay and doesn't need to be more than this. Below, it also tells us the status, saying that SSL is active, mixed content is active, and you have a redirect. Now, SSL is fully activated on our site. If you have completed all these settings and your SSL is not active here, you need to click on this once. Click and activate your SSL.